Hi Renee, this is Dora Goldberg. I talked with you this morning. So as you can see, I'm looking at your site and it's kind of doing some things that are a little different. Let's see. It keeps going to this. Your site itself only has a whole bunch of like lines and stuff on it, so it's not really registering. So I just wanted to do a quick search in your area too, just to see who's coming in. And so this is called a map pack, and of course, this would be ideally where you would want to be. These particular companies tend to get the most business because it's easy. It's right here, and you just click on it and you go. And most of us really like that. We like it when it's easy. So if you were able to get yourself a bunch of citations and make sure your Google business page is updated, then that would help you to get onto the map pack. And then these are the organic results. So it looks like your main competitor would be Phil's Home Service in Seattle. So that's what I'm going to kind of compare things with. So your website itself, I couldn't really do anything with it because it was just a whole bunch of code on there. And then it switches over thinking that you're, not human, and that it goes to like a coupon thing. So it's kind of weird. Sorry about that, but it's not working. So in case you didn't know, it'd be good for you to know that. So even though it's not working, I was able to pull up a little bit of information on it. So this is a domain rating, which is basically the strength of your page. And this is a URL rating, which is basically the trust of your page. You've got a 2.8 and a 5. They're not a great big distance apart, which is good. It's a good ratio. As you move up the ranks, you will see these numbers improve. Now, backlinks are one way for you to help get your page to move up on Google. And so anyway, you do have a few of them. This one is really good because it has a power of its own of an 84. And those are the kind of backlinks you want to get. And I will tell you how to do that in just a second. So here's the rest of your overview is your organic search. So keywords. So when somebody types in a specific keyword, it's never going to come to your site because you don't have any keywords. So you want to get as many keywords as you can as well. On your business site, if you get it working, you want to make sure that you've got 1,500 words of content or so. When Google sends its crawlers out, they read your page and they determine if it's relevant content, and then they also count how many words you have. And right now, usually about 1,500 words will guarantee that you're going to, start moving up to the first page. So let's look at Phil's Home Services. You can, I could get into his site, so that was good. It's just a regular site. They don't have a ton of content on theirs either. So if you were to add quite a lot of content to yours, it would help you to rank higher than they are. And then this is kind of looking at their site. So as you can see, their domain rating isn't super high. It's only a 5. And their URL rating is a 1.9. So those would not be hard to beat. And then they do have some backlinks too. So they've got 29 of them. So I told you I'd tell you how you can get backlinks. And one of the things you can do is, this software is called Ahrefs, but there's other things out there you can use too. And, you just pull up your competition's backlinks and you just click through all of them and get them for yourself. Take the high value ones, the ones that have the higher power. And, that way that will help you to pull over them too, because, you're using some backlinks of your own and then some backlinks of theirs too. Let's look at their keywords. They've got quite a few keywords, 335. So just for example, 700 people every month are looking for a Seattle handyman. That's 700 people they are in position 4. So they get 64 potential clients a month, or 65, I mean. And that just means that somebody's called or submitted a form or whatever. It doesn't necessarily mean that, they have closed the deal. So if they were in number 1, that would go up. If you were in number 1, that would go up and you'd be getting those clients calling you instead. Same thing with Handymand Seattle. There's 500 people every month that look for that. That's traffic that, you could pull your share in if you were to get in the top 5. Same thing with Handymand Services Seattle, 250 people look every month. So there's a lot of people that are looking for a handyman. And then when you get specific with, the keywords that you want to use, that will help you to pull in more business as well. So that's what I wanted to show you. I will reach out to you tomorrow and get some feedback. I hope you have a great day, and thanks so much.